In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini for creating emails, social media posts, and FAQs like never before. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone eager to harness the power of AI, this step-by-step guide will unlock a world of possibilities. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, you'll want to type in Google Gemini into the search bar at the top. This will bring up a list of results related to Google's AI offering. Click on the official Google Gemini website from the search results. If you're not familiar with Gemini, it's a powerful AI tool that can streamline your content creation process by analyzing and repurposing text from existing material. Once you've landed on the Gemini homepage, it's time to engage with the tool. Before diving in, think about a blog or article you'd like to use as a source. You can follow along with this example. Find a website like Anthony O'Neill's, select a blog post, and copy its URL. It's crucial here to choose content that clearly aligns with the message or theme you want to create across emails, social media, and FAQs. Back on the Gemini platform, create a new prompt. You'll be entering a request for Gemini to process. Start by asking for a short summary of the blog's main ideas in a few succinct bullet points. It's important Gemini captures the essence since you'll use this to craft more content. Then, instruct Gemini to convert this summary into 3 sequence emails for your audience. Specify that these emails should maintain the tone of the original blog to ensure consistency across your messaging. Next, move on to social media. Ask Gemini to craft 5 social media posts, identifying clearly which platform each post is intended for. Keep in mind that different platforms may have different audiences or styles, so clarity will help you here. Finally, request Gemini to draft an FAQ section with 8-10 common questions. These should be based solely on the blog's content, and you'll want concise, clear answers. Now take the URL you've copied earlier and paste it into the Gemini prompt field as specified. This step is pivotal because Gemini will analyze the blog you've chosen. Double-check your prompt and the URL to make sure everything aligns with your vision. Press Submit to let Gemini process your request. Once submitted, remember, patience is key. Depending on the complexity of the blog and the information requested, it might take a few moments for Gemini to generate a complete set of results. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Finally, when the results are in, you'll be amazed at the cohesive, professional-grade content Gemini has conjured up. Harnessing AI in your content creation strategy not only saves time, but also opens avenues for creativity and efficiency that are truly revolutionary. Thanks for joining me today to explore this powerful tool. Happy creating!